summer and the weather is hot, I figured you needed something to enjoy your keto ice cream with. How about a waffle cone? Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to show you how to make keto waffle cones. Now the waffle cone I'm going to show you guys how to make today is gluten-free, and there is some brands starting to make some commercially available waffle cones out there. However, they do contain gluten. So today's version is going to be super simple to make and gluten-free. You want to start by adding 1 cup of almond flour to a medium bowl, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll need 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of sweetener of your choice, whatever one you want to use, just add it in there, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and a 1/4 cup of nut milk. I'm going to be using macadamia nut milk, but you could use almond milk or coconut milk. Mix this together until it's fully combined, and then we're going to be using a special waffle maker to make our waffle cones. Once your waffle cone maker is preheated, you want to add in just around a couple tablespoons of batter to your waffle maker. Close it and let it cook for a few minutes. You want to let it cook just until it starts to get golden brown. Lay it down on some parchment paper. And then your waffle cone maker set should come with a cone mold in order to mold your ice cream cones. It's important, in order to get this to set, you want to take some water and just run it along the edge, the final edge, to form a seal. Let it dry for a few minutes and then it will start to harden, and then you can move on to your next waffle cone. And now you're ready to enjoy keto ice cream in a keto waffle cone. Topped with ChocZero syrups, like their chocolate syrup is one of my favorite things to enjoy with ice cream. Their syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free, and I love this chocolate. It is so delicious and pourable and thick and creamy. But you can use all of their other syrups as well too. They have caramel, strawberry, seasonal flavors. Anyone will work for here. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto waffle cones.